Hi, this is Westover, and I'm going to walk you through how to download the latest IGEL OS version. First step is to just go ahead and open up your web browser. Once you're here, you're going to go to www.igel.com/software-downloads. When you get to this page, all that you need to do is select Workspace Edition, and you'll expand OS 11, OS Creator, and select the latest available. At this point, you can put in your information, mark that you've read the privacy policy, and then select Download and accept the agreements that are shown here. Once this completes, it'll allow you to download the software, and then once the OSC is downloaded, you can proceed to the next step.